Hi Taurus, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do a you and yours reading today, Taurus. Let's see what's going on with you, what's going on with the person who's affecting your energy, and what actions we can expect now. So, Taurus, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. Take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So, let's begin our reading. Ten of Cups, Hierophant, Three of Pentacles, Four of Swords, King of Wands, and the Chariot. All right. So for me, this is person A, Taurus. Now I'll be opening cards for person B. You will know which side you're resonating on, right? And I'm going to take one more card for the action person A will take. For person B, person B. I have the King of Pentacles, Ten of Wands, the Hermit, the Fool, the Emperor, and the King of Swords. All right, and here's the action they will take. So bottom of my spread, I do see the Sun card in reverse. So things are not going that great, it seems, in this connection. Not feeling really happy at this time. Before I start the reading, Taurus, I'm going to take some dialogue message cards just to see what's going on between the two of you, and then we'll start our reading. Okay, thank you. Let's put this card here, and let's take a few from this deck as well. Taurus and their person spirit, they could say something to each other. Okay. And I'm going to take a few more from this deck. Taurus and their person spirit. Taurus and their person. Taurus and their person. All right, thank you. All set to go, Taurus. Let's begin our reading. The first card here says, would you just stop holding back? Lay it all on me. I want you to reveal your true self to me. Tell me your hopes, your dreams, your fears, your vulnerabilities, what really makes you tick, and what you truly desire. I tried to walk away from you, but something keeps pulling me back to you. I'm so afraid that you've left my life forever. It hurts me to the core. Sorry for what I've done to you. Karma is kicking my ass now. I really didn't think we were compatible at first. I see that we are now. Somebody's trying to hold on to somebody. I don't feel threatened by the karmic anymore. They're just playing their role. I keep looking up at the stars, hoping you're looking at them at the same time I do. All right. So let's see, Taurus, what's going on here? I'm going to take one angel blessing card to top the reading, and then we'll start clarifying these cards. Vision is what's flipped out for you, Taurus. So keep your eyes focused onto what you want in life. Keep your vision very clear. Keep your intention very pure. What you want, just focus on that goal and you're sure to achieve it. Okay? Your vision has to be clear. Don't get confused by anything here. So, all right. So let's start with the energy of person A. 10 of Cups in reverse and the Hierophant in reverse is how person A is feeling right now. I think this could be a committed relationship, Taurus, where one person is not feeling emotionally happy, maybe in a marriage, maybe in a long-term commitment. If a person A is feeling, I'm not happy here, I don't see wish fulfillment in my life, in this commitment. Yes, they are no longer interested in moving forward or communicating, or maybe communication has come to a kind of a standstill, and person A is now on that verge of making a decision regarding this. as to what am I going to do now. They are not interested in working on this connection anymore. This person A, right? And what happened, Spirit? Why is person A feeling like this? Maybe there were third party situations in the past, Taurus. Three of Cups in reverse, which made this person feel very ungrounded. There was no sense of celebration, there was no sense of happiness. This relationship didn't have that strength to go the long haul. Maybe there were fights and arguments as well, which led to person A feeling very restless all the time. Four of Swords, Spirit? Four of Swords? Yes, they now want to leave all these troubles behind. They want to leave all this bickering, fighting, unhappiness, emotional loss, whatever they're feeling right now. They are wanting to leave all that in the back, leave it behind, and just move on to have a calm and happy life for themselves. So, how do they see their partner now, Spirit? If this is what's going on, how do they see their partner? They see their partner, Taurus. This could be you, right? The Taurus, this could be you, or that side could be you. I don't know. But there is somebody here who thinks their partner is very selfish, very self absorbed. King of Wands in reverse. Why do they see their partner as the King of Wands, Spirit? Yes, they are on the verge of wanting to not hold on to this character or this energy and say, I'm willing to release this person now who's been very selfish, who's been a bit toxic, has never given me emotional happiness, and they are wanting to now move ahead. They have a vision. I think this person has a vision. They also see that their person brings them too much stress, too much tension, gives them too many sleepless nights. So what's this Chariot then, Spirit? Chariot? Chariot? They feel their partner is very egoistic, very prideful. I think they feel that if they want to move ahead, will try and keep them stuck maybe, and maybe expect them to return back to them. One more, Spirit, for the Chariot. Yes, they feel there'll be blockages put in case they want to move ahead. They feel their partner is a bit selfish, they're a bit egoistic, prideful. If they wish to move ahead, their forward movement may get stalled by this selfish person in their life. So let's see person B. We'll open the action card later as to what action person A would like to take, but let's see what person B is up to. Person B has the King of Pentacles and the Ten of Wands. This is a person who is probably maybe the husband, I don't know, but they're the kind of person who do have a lot of love in their heart. They're a good provider. They at least like to be like that, or they've been struggling with that. They've been trying their best to do the right thing, but this person is a bit emotionally immature. They don't, maybe they're not romantic, they don't show their feelings, and now they feel a little burdened. Why is that, Spirit? Ten of Wands. Now they've got to know the truth that maybe somebody is making a choice regarding this connection. Yes, they know that their person is very upset with them, very angry with them, doesn't trust them at all. And now that they know that their person is probably going to make a decision that's really, overwhelming them, burdening them. They don't know what to do. On their mind is their home, their family, their house, whatever. This is kind of becoming a pressure on them now. Why is the Four of Wands and the Ten of Wands here, Spirit, for person B? What? Yes, they are now looking into the future as to, oh my God, if my person actually decides to do what they want to do, then what's going to happen to my future? So this is kind of becoming a big burden to this person, thinking about what next. So what happened in the recent past for this person, Spirit? Hermit in reverse and the Fool in reverse. Yes, they didn't make very wise decisions, I think, in the past, and they made some foolish mistakes here, to be honest. Person B feels that whatever games they played, whatever foolish mistakes they've made, they've kind of backfired on them. Maybe they were trying to be in a senior position or behaving like the person of the house, man, woman, I don't know. But maybe they were emotionally very distant, concentrating more on the material things maybe, and that led to a lot of conflicts, a lot of fights between the two of you. Now they're wanting to try once more. They are wanting to try once more. They are realizing they've made some very foolish mistakes maybe in the past. So what's this Fool card in reverse for them, Spirit? Fool card in reverse. Yes. Oops. They want to have this clear communication now with the person A, but they also feel that the reason that person A is leaving them is because maybe they came across very harsh and very cold and never really made a decision regarding the connection. Maybe they had other things going on and they now regretting for not taking action maybe sooner, or not deciding or seeing things earlier, whatever the problems were between the two of you. How do they see their partner, Spirit? The Emperor and the King of Swords in reverse. How do they see their partner now? Emperor is clarified by the Emperor. I think they see their partner wanting to take back control of their own life, and or moving towards maybe somebody who is their wish fulfillment. So that's how they're seeing their partner, and it's not making them happy at all. They're very angry, they're very upset, they are very frustrated. They are King of Swords in reverse. Yes, they feel a tower has hit and their whole life is getting disrupted. They are totally in their emotions at the moment, and they're not feeling good. Yeah, they are upset. They're upset. They want justice. They feel this is not right, that my stability is at stake here. They feel that their partner was probably keeping secrets from them. Okay, so let's see what action person A would like to take towards person B. Eight of Pentacles. So why is the Eight of Pentacles here, Spirit, for person A? As to the action they want to take towards person B now? I think person A would still like to maybe try one more time. They do see themselves as their equal match, Queen of Pentacles to the King of Pentacles. They do want to try to heal this connection if possible. Even though they're not happy, they heart of hearts don't want to be in this connection, but because maybe there's a committed relationship here, this Queen of Pentacles is very loving, kind, nurturing, and honorable, I would say, in this case, because they're still willing to give it one more shot, give it one more try and heal this connection if possible. And what is the action person B would like to take? Queen of Wands. As the Queen of Wands here, Spirit, as the action person B would like to take towards person A. Why is the Queen of Wands here? I think if there was a third party situation here from person B's side, and they had many options or many choices, they are willing to put an end to all that, and they are wanting to now apologize to person A. They would like a fresh start as well. Yes, they realize that this has been the burden that they've been carrying, and that's the reason I think person A was on the verge of leaving them or something like that. They are now trying to manifest a brand new beginning with person A, and put this third party maybe connection to a halt and apologize to person A for whatever they've done. Am I right, Spirit? Yes, I think there was somebody else in the mix here, Taurus. Maybe there was a third party situation. What this was the reason for this broken heart. The broken hearts between the two of you, and that's the reason this relationship, there was betrayal. There was betrayal, there was hurt, there was pain. Maybe there was a karmic, like the card said. There was a karmic in the mix here which led to these broken hearts and the end of this connection. But from what I see here, even after all that, I think Taurus, person A is still willing to give it one more shot and try and bring some healing to this connection. And person B is also, I think, feeling rather guilty. They are wanting now to kind of apologize and drop this person if there was another person in their life. Right? So that's all I have for you, Taurus. Of course, this won't be everybody's story, but this was the message that I wanted to show through. Let me know if it resonated, okay? Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.